So my experience has been awesome with Formula Basics and Beauty Basics with Shananye. I have learned so much about formulation, obviously, as well as the business behind beauty. I've been able to benefit from her knowledge being a public health professional as well as a beauty entrepreneur. And she's also had some mentorship from other beauty entrepreneurs, so being able to get all of that knowledge has been great, as well as share some knowledge with someone who is not as far along as I am. So I'm the middle person, which kind of puts me in a great position in the class. And then I've made so many products that I had no idea that I could make at my home lab. So this has been a really great experience. So I really love making the shaving clay. That was awesome. We made a whipped shaving clay, and the first time that we made a cream-based product, I was very fascinated because I honestly thought that lotion was not something you could make with natural ingredients or non-toxic ingredients. So those are probably my two favorites.